Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious chorizo quesadillas. First, let's gather our essential ingredients to ensure a flavorful and authentic experience. You'll need fresh chorizo, your favorite tortillas, and a good melting cheese. Consider adding some fresh salsa, creamy avocado, or a dollop of sour cream for extra zest. Preparing everything beforehand makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable, setting the stage for a fantastic meal. Now let's get that chorizo cooking. Place your chorizo in a hot skillet over medium heat. As it cooks, use a spoon or spatula to break it up into small, even pieces. You want it nicely browned and cooked through. Chorizo can release a fair amount of grease, so once it's done, be sure to drain any excess from the pan. This step ensures your quesadillas won't be too oily. With your chorizo ready, it's time to assemble and cook your quesadillas. Place one tortilla in a lightly oiled pan over medium heat. Sprinkle a generous layer of your favorite melting cheese over half of the tortilla, then add a portion of the cooked chorizo. You can either fold the tortilla in half or place another tortilla on top. Cook until the cheese is melted and the tortilla is golden brown on both sides. Once your quesadillas are ready, carefully remove them from the pan and cut them into easy-to-handle wedges. Serve them immediately with your favorite toppings, like a fresh pico de gallo, a dollop of sour cream, or some creamy guacamole. These warm, cheesy delights are perfect for a quick lunch or a fun dinner. Don't forget to check the description below for the link to those amazing darn tough socks and other great deals we've found for you. Enjoy every savory bite of your homemade chorizo quesadillas.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.